Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
When did you wake up?
I woke up at 7 o'clock.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate toast.
Did you sleep well last night?
No, I didn't sleep well.
What did you wear yesterday?
I wore jeans and a t-shirt.
Did you go to school yesterday?
Yes, I went to school.
What time did you leave home?
I left home at 8 a.m.
Did you see your friends yesterday?
Yes, I saw my friends after work.
What did you do with your friends?
We went to the park.
Did you have lunch together?
Yes, we had lunch together at a cafe.
What did you order?
I ordered a sandwich and a coffee.
Did you enjoy your lunch?
Yes, it was delicious.
What did you do after lunch?
We walked around the park.
What time did you go home?
I went home around 4 p.m.
Did you have a good day?
Yes, I had a great day.
Did you cook dinner?
No, I ordered takeout.
What time did you go to sleep?
I went to sleep at 9:30 p.m.
Where did you go on vacation last summer?
I went to the beach.
What did you do there?
I swam, sunbathed, and built a sandcastle.
What was the weather like?
It was hot and sunny.
What did you eat for breakfast this morning?
I ate cereal and milk.
Did you brush your teeth this morning?
Yes, I brushed my teeth.
What time did you get to school yesterday?
I got there at 9 a.m.
What did you learn in school yesterday?
I learned English and math.
Did you have a test?
No, I didn't have any tests.
Did you help with any chores at home yesterday?
Yes, I vacuumed the floor.
Did you go for a walk yesterday?
No, I stayed home and relaxed.
Did you cook dinner last night?
Yes, I made spaghetti.
Did you go to the grocery store yesterday?
Yes, I needed to buy some milk.
Did you buy anything else?
Yes, I also bought some fruit.
Did you go to the library yesterday?
No, the library was closed.
What did you do last weekend?
I went to the park with my friends.
Did you play any sports?
Yes, we played basketball.
Did you buy anything new last week?
Yes, I bought a new shirt.
What did you wear to work yesterday?
I wore jeans and a t-shirt.
Did you get dressed up for the party?
Yes, I wore a dress and heels.
Did you wash your clothes yesterday?
Yes, I did laundry.
What games did you play on your computer as a kid?
I played educational games.
Where did you go on your first vacation?
I went to the beach with my family.
Did you visit any museums last year?
Yes, I went to the art museum downtown.
What was the weather like on your trip?
It was sunny and warm.
Did you learn anything new today?
Yes, I learned a new word in English.
What was your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject was history.
Did you do your homework yesterday?
Yes, I finished all my assignments.
Who was your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher was Mr. Alex.
What did you do with your friends last night?
We went out for pizza.
Who did you call on the phone yesterday?
I called my best friend.
Did you have a birthday party this year?
Yes, I had a small party with close friends.
Did you enjoy your day?
Yes, I enjoyed my day.
Did you like our time together?
Yes, I liked our time together. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.